it has only become a grazing ground for the BJP cadres. It is only the BJP cadres who are getting passes. Even film directors, Goan film directors are not getting inaugural passes, neither passes for the films where they could improve their talent. This is the state of affairs the Goans are getting benefit. The total benefit after spending over 12 crores annually, Goans, the filmy culture is absolutely benefiting zero and neither any benefit to the Goans. Now for the last 3 years, approximately 50 crores of rupees have been spent for IFFI by the local government. The local government is so much cash-starved, they are so much in loans, yet for this fanfare which doesn't benefit Goa at all. If at all there is any benefit to some extent, it has become a partner of hospitality and travel agents. Nothing beyond that. Goans are so much sidetracked that NCP demands that inaugural passes and film passes be given to Goans film directors, which are not being given. So whom are you? It is the crowd comes there and acts in the most in the most indecent manner, breaks the decorum. Just shouting and yelling and applauding makes no sense. Who are they? The governing council, the ex-governing council of the Entertainment Society of Goa. Those members should be given passes because they were on the council because they had some knowledge on film industry, and you don't give them also. You are ignoring the present, you are ignoring the past, you are ignoring the filmy directors. Whom are you giving these inaugural passes for? What is the big game on this going on? This is a scam. The government should come out clean and tell the people of Goa the money that is being spent, it is the exchequer's money. Central government's contribution is absolutely nominal in this whole confusion. This government has to reply to the people. The people deserves to know what is happening about this.